Good. Assalamualaikum and very good morning to the lecture. So today I want to present my final presentation of FPA 310. So my internship at Desa Petil Sdn Bhd at SUP. So my name is Ahmad Faiz Hafizi bin Zainuddin. My ID student is 2023-821364 and my supervisor is Miss Grace Flavieris. So next. So the introduction is, this presentation is summarized my industrial training and experience at Desa Petil Sdn Bhd, a subsidiary of Kimlong Resources Sdn Bhd. So the training was held from 24 February to 22 March 2025 at SUP Keningau, Sabah. So I was exposed to various field activity including nursery work, harvesting, mill operation, housing inspection and compliance practices. So the last is, this presentation will highlight key tasks such as missing tasks, house inspection, mill operation, and environmental and social compliance. So next is, so first task is a missing task. This is a refer to overlook or skip task during plantation operations. Its effect, productivity, quality, and sustainability. So what is causes to do missing tasks? First is poor monitoring system, and then next is lack of manpower and miscommunication between supervisors and harvesters. So what the solution? The solution is daily inspection and cross-checking records. It's using a barcode system for traceability. It's immediately harvesting on flag blocks. What is impact for not monitoring the missing tasks? First is reduce FFB yields and delays its harvesting schedule and unreliable harvesting records. Next is house inspection. In house inspection, we have a checklist to check if they have a problem in worker's house. So what is we check? So first is roof, walls and floors. So we see the damage of the leaks and we jot it down at the checklist. And next we check the toilet and the bathroom. We check the cleanness and function. If they are not function, we list it in the checklist. And the last is waste disposal. So if there are not a proper system in the place, we jot it down. The last is a waste disposal. This is we check is a proper system in the place. So what are the findings at the housing inspection? First is some houses and a damaged roof and leaking pipes. And then the paste like rats found due to impromptu waste disposal. And the last, need for repair and pest control identified. So the outcome is, next is the outcome. So the outcome is action plan created for maintenance. Next is improve worker satisfaction and health. So next is a mill operation. This is, we will conduct to the mill to see the operation, how the mill operation, the FFB. So first of all, the step in the mill operation is receiving FFB. This is transported via trucks. And next is sterilization. So the FFB will be steam treatment for the loosened fruit. Next, we go to the threshing. So in threshing, we separate a fruit from the bunches. And next, we then pressing the FFB. So why is pressing? Because it wants to extract crude palm oil. After that, we have clarification and purification. This is to remove solids and water. And then a kernel recovery. We separate a kernel for other products. And then the last one is PO storage and dispatch. So this is, the oil is stored in heated tanks 50 to 55 degrees to keep it warm before pumping and delivery. So what is the safety measure? Safety measure in mill operation is, first we must have a PPE like helmets, gloves and boots. And then we must do a regular maintenance of the machines to avoid an accident. So next is outcomes. The outcome is, first learn about all extractions efficiency. And the last is better understanding of palm oil processing chain. So next is environmental and social compliance. So this is for ensure plantation activities follows the sustainability and social responsibility standards. So what the social aspect? So first is compliance with worker rights and safety. And then we give a proper housing, sanitation and rest facilities. So next in after that, regular audit and safety training. So the key areas is waste management. So the scheduled waste store for used oil and chemical. Next is lubricant store, like a separate storage, proper labeling and spill control. After that, chemical premix area like PPE use, emergency waste station and documentation. And the last one is fertilizer store. For ventilation, we must have a ventilation, labeling and inventory system. The outcome is we can gain awareness on environmental and legal responsibilities and improve understanding of how plantation handle compliance professionality. So next is, so the conclusion of industrial training is the industrial training gave me hands-on experience in oil palm plantation operation. Next is I learned how to manage tasks like harvesting, maintenance, inspection and compliance monitoring. And next is it improved my technical skills, understanding of plantation system and problem solving abilities. After that, I also experienced real work culture, teamwork and workplace discipline. And the last one, overall, this training helped me prepare for future employment in the plantation industry. Next, for my recommendation for the next industrial training is, for this industrial training is, the company can improve by using digital monitoring system to reduce missing tasks. And then regular maintenance on housing facilities is needed to improve worker welfare. So after that, more training and refresher courses should be given to workers on safety and compliance. Next is UITM students should be given longer training periods to gain deeper practical exposure. And the last one is collaboration between UITM and the company should continue for mutual benefits in the future. So that's all from me. Thank you so much.